Myanmar's instability and India. 6 January 2022. India's neighbor Myanmar has been in power struggle for a long time. Recently, India has broken its silence on the issue and stepped up its efforts to restore democracy in Myanmar. Myanmar holds importance for India in four contexts. 1. Safeguard. 2. Humanitarian issues. 3. Politics or democracy. And 4. Geopolitical. India's geopolitical situation and security. Myanmar has geographical significance for India, but because it is located at the heart of geography in India and Southeast Asia. Myanmar is the only country in Southeast Asia that shares land borders with Northeast India. The two countries also share long maritime boundary in the Bay of Bengal. Till 1999, India had close contact with the Myanmar army. The civil war situation could have posed a threat to India as India's land border met Myanmar. There were reports of illegal arms being smuggled from the border due to the civil war. Taking advantage of the unrest, arms were being supplied to their insurgent groups in China and Pakistan, India. On the issue of democracy, India does not have the option of isolating Myanmar like the Western world as a close neighbor. India feels it can move Myanmar towards a federal structure based on its constitution. As a result, the Indian side has resumed discussions on bringing back the politically acceptable system with election held there. India's help on economic and humanitarian issues. India has continued development work in several states of Myanmar boarding itself. More than 100 projects have been completed in these areas. Myanmar is of importance for promoting India's Made in India defense industries and military exports. In Myanmar, Rohingya refugees fleeing the Cup are constantly being sheltered in India. For their salvation, India has helped the Rohingyas and other backward communities by erecting several infrastructure in Myanmar's Rakhine province. Complex challenge. It is in India's interest to support Aung San Suu Kyi, a pro-democracy leader in Myanmar. In view of the strong stand of the us and the West, it cannot help the junta group to form the government. At the same time, in order to strengthen India-Myanmar economic ties and maintain peace on its border, it has to make Myanmar a state of state and autonomy based on various sources.